Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariana Jolie back with another YouTube video. So today I'm gonna do like a purple cut crease. I already have this look in my mind. Someone asked me to do a purple glitter cut crease, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. I already did something like this like a little over a year ago, so I'm gonna try to switch it up as best as I can, not do the same type of look. It's still gonna be purple and glitter, but I'm gonna like try my best to switch it up. So if that's something you might be interested in, keep on watching. This is gonna be a no voiceover, no talk through. It's just gonna be nothing but music. You just watch and enjoy and see how I do my makeup. And yeah, but before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, that way you never miss an upload, y'all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get into the video. I love to get too on. When I drink it too strong, when I drink it way too strong. I get fit to turn up, pull it on up till I can't even think no more. I get fit to turn up, pull it on up till I can't even think no more.
Hey, K-Dollar, man, why you gotta do it to him? Hey, K-Dollar, man, why you gotta do it to him?
Okay guys, so this is the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Someone requested me to do a all purple glitter cut crease, and this is exactly what I did. So shout out to you, girl. This is just for you. This entire video is just for you, so you better watch this video. I hope you watch this video because I did it for you. Period. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm looking to have 2,600 because I hit 2,500, so thank you guys. 2,600 I am looking for to have, and make sure you have your post notifications turned on. That way you're notified every single time I upload. And that is pretty much it. But comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. Leave some suggestions for some future videos, and I'll be sure to make some videos regarding your suggestions. Also be sure to subscribe to my couple channel, Ari and Rai. The link will be in the description, so you better subscribe to that if you like couple channels, pranks, vlogs, challenges, things like that. We're going to be posting a lot of those videos to that channel, so if you like couples and that's your type of videos you like to watch aside from makeup, subscribe to Ari and Rai. Again, the link is in the description, so subscribe, y'all. We're trying to have 100 subscribers on that channel. We have like 45 right now, so yeah, just subscribe, show some support, and that is pretty much all I have to say. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.